going on, community? Welcome back to another video. So guys, if you wanna buy something crazy from the China, today video is for you. So in today's video, I will explore one of the bestest spreadsheet on this spreadsheet. Literally, you can buy everything. If you wanna buy the shoes, they are available. If you wanna buy something like clothes and even the electronic products are also available there. So links are in the description. Don't forget to check them out and let's dive in and explore this one of the bestest spreadsheet now. You can check it out. Here is everything. Welcome to the electronic spreadsheet. If you wanna check out something, here's everything in front of you guys. You could check it out, guys, and you can follow their channel to get more quality electronic products information. You can click over there, and guys, here you can check it out. Here is our spreadsheet. So guys, first of all, the electronic products are also available there. You can check it out. They are looking so much insane and amazing, and you could also find a lot of the agents buy over there. Links of the agents like Just Fans, Mule Buy, Joyago, Kako Buy, Sugar Go, OOP Buy, CSS Buy, Super Buy, Lead Buy, Hippo Buy, and AC Buy too. They're all over. Links are available in front of you. You could also check it out. You can literally buy the iPhone 17 Pro Max, iPhone 16, iPhone Air, and this type of the iPhones too on this platform, and other the electronic products are also available there on this platform, so you could go and check them out too, guys. And here are a lot of things, like you could also buy the Samsung S25, S26 Ultra 2 on this platform. So, and you can literally buy heroes, guys. You can buy the you can say the clothing section is also available there. You can go and buy some type of crazy t-shirts and with the amazing prices basically, and you can buy on all over. Links are also here. They have a huge amount of the products are also available there. You can buy the clothes, you can buy the slipper, you can also buy the like the hats, shoes, and other type of the clothing variants are also available on this platform. And you can also literally buy the slipper and Air Force, Air Max TN, TL Air Max slippers, and the bouncing bracelets, bags, runner shoes. Everything's available there on the spreadsheet. So link in the description. Don't forget to check them out, and don't forget to buy these three products over there, which is also in front of you. They also have all over. Links are also available there in front. So in front of you, you can go, you can visit all the agents platform and buy through their platform. That's super easy way to buy from them. And the hoodie sets are also available there, and their like WhatsApp QR code is also available there. If you're interested in buying something, you can visit and you can contact on their WhatsApp if you want to buy something. If you want to buy the directly, you can click over. All our links are in front of you, like US Fans, Who Buy, Mule Buy. Every link is available. You can go to their website and buy through the agent. This will literally take a few minutes. You could actually participate and buy the product. And they also have their shop is also available. There is shop Viden link is also available there, so you could go and check them out too. At the Britain are also available. So guys, literally previously I have selected this product, this Rolex over there. You can also literally buy. You can click on the buy now option, and you can also check out this thing too over there. So guys, that was our video about this spreadsheet. If you're interested in buying some kind of this type of amazing product, so link in the description. Don't forget to check them out, and don't forget to buy. We will meet in our next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy.